Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Guys, I couldn't find no alcohol anywhere. Anyhow, I finally got some. And this is me making my homemade hand sanitizer. My style, my way, alright guys? This one won't dry out your hand at all. This one gonna add moisture to your hand. But hand washing is the best way, alright guys? So you can keep one of this in your car, put it at your door. When you're coming, you just sanitize your hand, whatever. Quick and easy way, alright? You need alcohol base, 70% or more. I'm gonna use some rosemary oil. You can use tea tree oil, peppermint, lavender, whatever you want. I have some aloe vera gel, natural. All right, you need about this piece, this much. And over here, the twist to it, guys, my Irish marsh. Irish marsh is super good for your skin, make it soft and clean. I'm gonna pour this, oh my goodness, pour that in. Put a tablespoon of Irish marsh. And so we're gonna blend. Now if it gets too thick on you, go ahead and add a little bit of water, maybe about a tablespoon or two. You don't have to strain it, guys, because I blend it really well, but if you want to strain it, you can go ahead. I'm gonna measure out 1/3 of this goodness. And the next thing, I'm going to put 2/3 of this alcohol base. Add about 4 drops of this rosemary oil. You can add whichever you want, just to give it a good scent. I think that's good. Optional, you can leave it white as is, but you know, I'm going to make it a little bit green. I'm going to add a few drops. 1, 2. We're gonna mix it up. I'm gonna go in with a fork now, and you just want to give this a good little beat, a good little mix. And that's it, guys. And I'm gonna pour it in. And there you have it, guys. Can you see how thick it is? It's super thick and nice. And that's it. This is my homemade hand sanitizer. And there you have it, guys. My Irish marsh aloe vera hand sanitizer. Yes, really good for your skin. It's gonna clean it, sanitize it, and soften your skin at the same time.